Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix escape from Tarkov error. Warning, game launch impossible, game files integrity is compromised, repair required. So if you are getting this error in escape from Tarkov game, then here follow the fixes. So fix one is download and install launcher from the escape from Tarkov official website. To do so, in Chrome search for escape from Tarkov and open the escape from Tarkov official website. And once you are on this website, you have to just log in to your account. Now if you are not able to log in with Yahoo or another domain, then log in with Gmail ID. If you don't have the Gmail ID, then you can create a Gmail ID and then log in with Gmail ID and then click on profile. Now click on settings. Now go to the downloadable content. Now here you can see battle state games launcher. So click on this download button. And once this exe file get downloaded, you have to install it. So click it to install it. Click yes to allow. Select the language that you want to install it. Then click OK. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on install. Then launch battle state games launchers. So click on finish. Then log into your account with the same Gmail ID. Now once you log into your same Gmail ID, you will see that game not purchased is showing and you are getting the buy option. But you don't have to worry about it. Just close the launcher. Then open Steam, select escape from Tarkov game and then click on the play button. This will download some content and then the game will launch and you will not receive the error. So by this way you can fix this error. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to download launcher from the escape from Tarkov official website that we have done already and then install the launcher to the game installation folder. So what you have to do, just click on this exe file, click yes to allow. Now browse to the game installation folder and install the launcher to the game installation folder. So click on browse. So in my case the game is installed in Steam, so I have to open program files x86, Steam apps, common folder. You can select escape from Tarkov folder and then click OK and install it, or you can also select this launcher folder and then click OK and then click on next, next and next and then install it. Then again launch the battle state game launcher, so click on finish. Now log in to your same Gmail ID and once you are logged into the launcher, then again it will show game not purchased by option. Then again close this launcher, then go ahead, open Steam and then select escape from Tarkov game and then click on play button. This will launch the game and you will not receive the error. So these are the two fixes that you can follow to fix escape from Tarkov error. User action required, files are corrupted, integrity check through Steam is required, restart through Steam is required. So that's all for this video. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve escape from Tarkov error. Warning, game launch impossible, game files integrity is compromised, repair required. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.